So I've been wanting to go to Hawaii, but due to COVID this year, I decided that I'm going to just stay in California. And since I have winter break, I decided to take a trip up north to Dunsmuir, California for a waterfall. And this waterfall is called Mossbrae. And this is like a little small town up north near Redding and Mount Shasta. And the town is just so cute and pretty. And I really like small little town like this. In order to find parking, you have to park outside of Shasta Retreat. The neighbors there do not allow parking, so just find parking on the streets and just be very respectful when you're walking through the property. You're going to walk down Scarlet Avenue and go all the way down, and you're going to make a right and go on Cave Avenue. Is going to take you to Sacramento River, and there's a bridge where you cross and then make a right to the train tracks and start from the train track all the way to get to the waterfall. We're crossing the Sacramento River right now. This is the Sacramento River. So make sure you cross the bridge. And then we're gonna make a right on the train track. So make sure you wear comfortable shoes. If you wear like Nike shoes and walking on these rocks, it's gonna hurt your foot at the end of the day. So make sure you wear something that has a very thick sole on the bottom and you're able to walk on the rocks, because when I was walking there and walking back, my feet hurt so bad. This is not recommended, but walking on the train track like this actually helps like your foot to not be hurting at all. But just make sure that you're alert and aware that the train is going to come anytime, so just make sure you pay attention. I was lucky to witness a train coming by, and there are a lot of room and space to get out of the train track and move to the side while the train is going by. Can hear it, the sound, but first time witnessing. Almost to the waterfall. So excited. Like I also witnessed like tree track that just came by too, and that's very exciting. Like I never seen like a tree track up close like that, but yeah. And this is my first time ever walking a tree track like this. Found it! Here it is. Oh my god, it's unbelievable. It's so pretty. Gosh, it's like so pretty. Hey, oh my god, this is like so pretty. Oh my gosh. We're going to pop this wine, get drunk. Just kidding. Yeah, things to see if they're good. Yeah. Right after banana flat shake.